Okay, in my last video, it was the first time I had ever used pack bait, and I had a stellar time fishing. In an hour and a half, I caught 3 channel catfish and 1 monster carp, the biggest one I've caught this year. I don't know if that was a coincidence or if it was the pack bait. I kept using corn. I threaded corn on my hook, and I molded the pack bait around it and threw it out there, as well as chummed the area with pack bait. I'm going to show you a pack bait recipe now because I've added a few ingredients to help keep it on the hook as well as add some more flavor. So here's the recipe right now, how to catch big carp. Okay, we're going to go over what we got here. We got iodized salt. We got 1 cup of rice, panko breadcrumbs, cooked rice, old-fashioned oats, fruit punch, sugar, creamed corn, and Jell-O powder. 1 cup of cooked rice. I pre-cooked that. About 2 cups of oats. 3. That's about 2 cups. Cup of breadcrumbs. Again, I don't measure this stuff. It's just carp bait. 1/4 cup of salt. Some guys use salt, some guys don't. 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup of sugar. I use about 1/3 to 1/2 a packet of Jell-O. That way I get about 2 batches out of 1 box. I only make enough bait that I'm going to take for 1 or 2 days. And you add probably 1/2 the can of cream corn, 1/2 the can. Mix it by hand. And then pack that. You can see that. Packs good. Let that sit, and you're fishing with it tonight.